Assalamu alaikum to all dear students of class 7. This is your English teacher. I hope that you all are doing well at your homes. And it's a lecture number 10. Today is 5th of May 2021, Wednesday. Students, this is our last lecture of unit number 13. I hope that you all have done the translation, synonyms, bookwork and all the sentences that I had given to you in the previous lectures. So it's the last lecture today of unit number 13 from your textbook, and today we are going to do question answers of this chapter. Understood? There are 5 questions of this chapter, and you all have to write the answers by your own self in your copy number 2. I will only give you some clues, and I will only tell you that how to start your answer. Okay, so let's start. It's a question number 1, and it is describe different types of pirates mentioned in the lesson. Yes, students, can you tell the types of pirates that are mentioned in the letters? So students, you all have to start your answer like this. The different types of pirates mentioned in the lesson are, then you all have to write the types in points. Okay, it's up to you कि आप कितने पॉइंट्स लिखना चाहते हो, बट मिनिमम 4 पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड? एंड यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम पैराग्राफ नंबर 1. In paragraph number 1, you can see the types of pirates. You can see that there are pirates who are gentler and who let them go their victims unharmed, and there are pirates who took gold for gold's sake. There are pirates who kill for the love of killing, and some pirates who held their captive for ransom and sold them for as slaves. Some of them leave their victims on the islands to die of thirst and starvation. Okay, so you can take help from paragraph number 1, and you have to write maximum or minimum 4 points. Okay students, so it was your question number 1. Now come towards question number 2. What do you know about Julius Caesar? Students, we had discussed about Julius Caesar in this chapter, and you can take help for this answer from paragraph number 3. You all know that Julius Caesar was a Roman dictator, and he conquered the whole known world, and he was also once captured by pirates. Okay students, I had given you some clues about Julius Caesar. You all have to write it properly. Okay, I had told some points about Julius Caesar, that he was a Roman dictator, he conquered the whole known world once, and he was once captured by pirates, etc, etc. But you all have to write it properly in your copies. Understood? And you can take help from paragraph number 3 from page number 71. Okay, moving towards forward. Question number 3. Why was Caesar annoyed? Yes, who can tell that why was Caesar annoyed? Once he was captured by pirates, and he became annoyed. What was the reason behind his annoyance? Okay, can anyone tell me? Okay students, he was annoyed. You can take help from paragraph number 3. Okay, he was annoyed because of some reason that pirates were not demanding worthy ransom of his safe return. Okay, so you all have to write it by your own self. Okay, moving toward forward. Question number 4. Why did the people in those days paid ransom without any question? Yes, any answers? Open your book and take help from paragraph number 4, your last paragraph. You all have to start your answer like this. People in those days paid ransom without any question because. Yes, what was the reason? Yes students, there were many reasons that they paid ransom without any question, but the most biggest reason was the pirates. Okay, that they were afraid of pirates, that they warned their children not to go outside alone, so that the pirates will kidnap them. So they paid the ransom without any question, because they were living in the dread of pirates, they were living in the fear of pirates. Okay, so you have to write the answer by your own self. Question number 5, last question. Yes, it's an interesting question, and it depends in your on your understanding. Okay, there is no clue in the chapter, you all have to write it by your own self. Why do you think pirates sail under strange flags? जी, आपको क्यों लगता है कि pirates जो हैं वो strange flags के साथ, strange flags के नीचे जो है वो sailing किया करते थे? Any reason? Yes, if you had listened my previous lectures about pirates, about this chapter, so I hope कि आप लोगों को answers लाजमी पता होगा. Yes, so मैं आपको थोड़ा सा याद करा देती हूँ. I had told about this picture in the first lecture of this chapter. Okay, you can take help from that video. यूजुअली पायरेट्स की कोई अपनी आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती है, एंड मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि अपनी आइडेंटिटी शो करवाने के लिए वो इस तरह के फ्लैग्स यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक दिस फ्लैग्स, एंड यू कैन सी दिस शेप आल्सो. सो अपनी आइडेंटिटी बताने के लिए वो इस तरह करते हैं, और भी बहुत सी रीज़न्स हो सकती हैं दैट दे वांट टू टेल देयर partners that they are coming and they have no identity. So these are the clues of this answer, but you all have to write by your own self. Okay students, so these were the question answers of this chapter, and you all have to write all the question answers of unit number 13 on copy number 2. Understood? आप लोगों को कॉपीज़ अभी स्कूल से मिल भी जाएंगी, ठीक है, मिल गई होंगी, कल आप लोग ले आए हो अपने स्कूल से, बट आप लोगों ने अभी भी अपना काम कॉपी नंबर 2 पर ही करना है, सो दैट जब आपके कॉपीज़ इंशाल्लाह ताला जब भी स्कूल में चेक होंगी, सो कॉपी नंबर 2 वाला सेट आप सेंड करेंगे स्कूल में, एंड उस ड्यूरेशन में फिर आप कॉपी 1 में अपना काम करोगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज द लास्ट लेक्चर अबाउट दिस चैप्टर, एंड होप सो आप लोगों को इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा, होप सो आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ आई होगी. So that's all for now. I will come with a new lecture in a new video on Friday. Till then everyone, stay blessed, stay safe at your homes. Allah Hafiz everyone.